Okay, the HC-X1 is now in manual mode. I have an aperture of f4.5. I'm shooting in 4K 24p, 1/100th of a second. Macro facility is switched off, which is the basis of this test really. And as you can see, even though I'm in manual focus, I can't achieve focus on the watch because the front element of the camera is much too close to the watch. It's probably 12 to 13 inches away. So what I will do now is I will switch over to macro facility on the camera and show you just how close you can actually get when macro facility is switched on. And here we are, macro now switched on. The camera to subject distance is unchanged, but just look how much closer we can actually zoom in onto that fossil watch now and actually gain focus, perfect focus as well. I'll zoom out just to show you how far back we can actually go in macro and keep the subject in focus. Remember, we are still in macro. And that's backed off as far as it will back off. So why would you want to turn the macro facility off? Why not leave it switched on all the while? Well, a couple of reasons really. The first one being, if you're doing general photography and not macro work, then obviously the autofocus system is going to take longer to acquire your subject because you're in macro mode, so it's going to hunt throughout the entire range, and that's obviously a drawback. And the second drawback is that obviously with the lenses hunting throughout the entire range, it will also drain your battery slightly quicker than normal, which is why Panasonic give you the option of turning macro on or off. As you can quite clearly see though, the macro facility is exceptionally good.